Okay everybody, hello A-listers, welcome back to my channel. So today I am reviewing the Rucker Roots hair care line, the GTC. I was sent the mousse, the leave-in conditioner spray, as well as the curly cream. And this is how I achieved today's hairstyle. You guys, I did a finger coil look on it. Excuse me guys for my voice, by the way. I am a little bit under the weather. Nashville weather is tripping lately. Like, it's been hot one day, like drastically hot, and then it's like freezing cold, and then it's raining, and it's literally all over the place, and it makes my immune system get out of whack. So today's video is gonna be very quick, very easy. It's beginner friendly. And if you have any comments or questions or concerns, please leave them down below in the comment section down below. Also, do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe to join the A-list family. Anyways, so if you would like to see how I achieved this hairstyle, then keep on watching. Everybody, so I'm done and I've gotten to the top of my head, and I just have this tiny little section left that I'm going to show you guys exactly how I achieved the finger coils, and you guys can see like how dry this piece of hair is compared to how moisturized and defined this piece is. So basically, you guys, I start off and I take the leave-in spray, and this spray, you guys, is $13.99. Each product that is on the entire line is $13.99. This is for wash and go natural hairstyles and heating styles for all hair types. It claims to moisturize hair, detangle, and refresh your curls. In this product, it has sunflower seed oil, biotin, castor oil, and panthenol. It has ginger root oil, turnip root oil, and carrot root oil. You guys, it smells so good. Let's start there. The entire line, it smells really good, and it works really well for my hair type. And so you guys, I just kind of spray a little bit on there, and then I just kind of comb it through, and then I'll look at the ends, and if the ends still feel a little dry, then I'll do a few more sprays on my ends, because my hair is bleached, so it does need that extra moisture going onto the hair and to the root. So, but yes, you guys, the product smells so good. They've worked so well with my hair. This is actually my third time using the product. I wanted to use it a few times just to see how long it does last for this particular hairstyle that I am showing. And as long as you put it up in a pineapple at night, which I do show towards the end of this video, with the scarf and the satin bonnet at night, then it should last about 4 to 5 days. It just depends on how big you like your hair to get. Once my hair reaches a certain size of big, then I just start putting it in a bun, and even still, it lasted a few more days after that. So there you go. Now it's starting to look a little bit more defined. That is after I have applied the curly cream, and the curly cream also is $13.99. And then I finally go in with the mousse, and the mousse defines waves, curls, rod sets, and wrap styles. It also has vitamin E and biotin like the other products, as well as ginger root oil, turnip root oil, and carrot oil. For the story of this product, it says, our story is about our roots. Our story is our grandparents and parents creating using their bare hands products for strong, beautiful hair. Rucker Roots is a tribute to their legacy. Rucker Roots will leave your hair longer, stronger, because healthy hair starts with the roots. You guys, I just love that. I love that whole saying, and I think it's amazing. So now I'm going to apply some of the mousse. I do like a couple pumps, and then I just kind of rake this through my hair as well. And then you guys, I start with taking a small section about this big, and I just start wrapping my finger around, and around until I get to the very end, and then I release. And then I continue doing that. And I try to get it close to the root as well so my roots won't be too puffy. And I just kind of continue to wrap. And then I release. And that's really all I do. I just continue that until I have no more hair left in my section. And you guys, towards the top of my hair, I do try to do smaller sections just because, you know, that's what's going to be seen the most. The back of the head, you know, that's just going to, if it gets frizzy, it's not that deep of a situation. Okay guys, so once I finally get to this point of my hair now being completely done, now I let it air dry. I've never really used a diffuser. You can use a diffuser for this if you need to let it dry quicker. Me personally, I always just let my hair air dry. And you guys, please excuse my nails. They look so bad right now. Let's not clock me, okay? Let's not clock me for something I'm already clocking myself for. Anyways, so yes, I just let my hair air dry. It takes about 5 hours, sometimes more. It depends on how big you do the coils. If you do smaller ones, they can probably dry a little quicker. But yes, so at this point, I just let my hair air dry. And then by the end of the day, I'm pineappling it up into a ponytail at the top, silk scarf around the edges, and a bonnet on top. You guys know the drill. You know the drill. So at this point, you know, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Looks like this, and when it's big and coily, and then, you know, this is first day hair, and of course it's just going to get bigger over time. I like to do the bangs. Take a wide tooth comb, and I'll just kind of fluff up this front part of my hair, and I'll just kind of around it, give it some shape, because I did just get my hair cut, so it's fairly easy to give myself the bangs. And I'll just fluff out the back. And if the bangs kind of are too long, or they kind of look a little funny, like not really together, I'll just take some bobby pins and just pin the top part like down or up. It just depends. But right now I don't mind it. They're not bad. But over time they probably will either like stretch down longer, and so it can kind of like be too much in my eyes, so then I'll have to use the bobby pins to pin it up or pin it down. So, you know, that's the tea for today. So guess what, girl? Buy you some Rucker Roots. Period. Waiting for you to subscribe to my channel.